Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app, and as you can see, I've previously applied the grid lines. I did it because I want to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, because after everything, they should disappear. So in order to reset the settings, we have to unroll the top bar, unroll the bar with the options, and then enter the settings. And what is more, it does not really matter on which mode you will be. You can be on the video mode, photo mode, etc. So in the settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Restore Default Settings and then tap on OK. The settings flashed a little bit, so now we can go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, the green lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.